Deserts. Can you live in the desert? Yes, but it can be very hot. It can also be very cold. Deserts are made up of sand or rock. Some do not get much rain. Others are covered in snow, frozen snow. These deserts are called tundra. Plants can live in the desert. They store water in their roots and leaves. The cactus is a desert plant. It can live for 200 years. Birds live in the holes in the cactus. People can live in the desert too, but watch out for the hot sun and always carry water. Wetlands. How are a bog, a marsh, and a swamp the same? They are all wetlands. A wetland is land that is very wet at least one some of the time. Plants and animals live there. The crocodile lives in swamps in Florida. A yellow fly lives in bogs in England. This fly is called the hairy canary. People are working to save the wetlands. They try not to build houses on them. They also try not to build roads over them. Wild grass and birds and bugs live in wetlands. We must keep their homes safe. Glaciers. What do you call a long blue river of ice? Glacier. Most fresh water on Earth is in glaciers. Some glaciers never melt. You can find glaciers in the mountains, over covered big areas of continents. They are home to snow fleas and ice worms. The top part of a glacier is snow. The middle part is mixed snow and ice. The bottom part is ice. You can take a class to learn how to walk on a glacier. You need special boots. You also need a rope and an ice axe. Then you can walk on a river of ice. Rainforests. Rainforests give us air. They give us plants and animals and medicine. A rainforest has many trees. It gets a lot of rain. Many kinds of animals and plants live here. Wild pigs live in rainforests. So do snakes. It is also home to bugs and birds. Trees here can grow to be 150 feet tall. Plants have big, bright flowers. Some rainforests are home to tall bamboo. We must, we people make pills out of tree bark and plants in the forest. These bills help many people. We must save our rainforests. Volcanoes. Volcanoes. Where does the word volcano come from? It comes from the Roman god of fire. His name was Vulcan. A volcano is a mountain that blows its top. Hot lava pushes through the mountain, then it flows down the side. Some volcanoes are millions of years old, some sleep, others are active. It is hard to tell when a volcano will blow. Many volcanoes have snow. If they blow their tops, hot lava melts the snow. It burns up trees and plants too, just like a fire. Canyons. Have you ever heard a Grand Canyon? It is one of the longest canyons in the world. A canyon is a deep crack in the earth. There are cliffs on each side. Sometimes a river flows through it. Many animals live in canyons. Gray squirrels make their homes there. Rabbits and mice live there. So do hawks and owls. Long ago, people used to live in caves above canyons. The Grand Canyon is pretty. It is red and orange and yellow. You can take a train to see it. You can ride a mule down the bottom of it. You can even raft on the river that goes through the Grand Canyon.